What's up, guys? This is a unboxing video of the Mike OS. I just got the box today, so we're gonna open it up, and yeah, I'm like very happy. Oh, my phone fell. I'm like very happy that I got these shoes because Mike Mo is my favorite skater. So I'm very happy that I have these shoes. So we're gonna open up the box. Yes, I know. It's plastic. I can just open it up. I'm just cutting a little hole. That's funny hole. And I ordered these from DC.com. And they actually only came in 4 days, and I was very shocked about that. It was a very fast delivery. So, yeah. DC. There's the receipt. And yeah, let's get to the shoes. Ooh. These look way better in person. Oh my god. Here it is. The Mike OS from DC. Look at that tread pattern on. Look at that design. That is just absolutely amazing. I'm very shocked on how he made this shoe. It's like so good. And a removable insole, I hope. Comes with an extra pair of laces. And a DC sticker. These are size 10. And I know it doesn't matter about shoe size or whatever, but yeah. Just putting it out there. Can you remove this? I don't think you can. Wait, can you? No. I don't want to anyway. But, yeah. You made this shoe with Unilite because that's their new technology. And super suede, 50% more durable. That's the good thing about the DC. I'm just very psyched to have this shoe. But, yeah. This is the Mike OS from DC. You can get them in red, black, and gray. It bends right out the box. That's what I like. Is it very flexible? But, yep. This is the Mike Mo. Get yourself a pair of these shoes and skate on. Don't stop. Subscribe or die.